A research organization called OpenAI seeks to advance and create friendly AI. With Microsoft apparently intending to invest $10 billion in the company, the corporation is now aiming to make some new friends after last year's ChatGPT and DALL-E 2 succeeded to bring AI into the public. But where did it all start? What's the impact of AI? Will this tool aid humans, or will it be more destructive for us? Let's find out in today's video. Stay tuned until the end to get all the details. The more that technology permeates different professions, the more vital programming skills become. But even for experienced professionals who have been in the field for years, learning any programming language from the beginning and mastering it takes a lot of time and work. Wouldn't it be fantastic if computers could simply comprehend simple English and carry out your instructions? One business thinks AI holds the secret to easier and quicker computer communication than spending hours pecking away at a terminal. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence, or AI, research laboratory and company. AI-powered software and machine learning algorithms have been deployed by them, enabling computers to perform a wide range of tasks, such as generating images from text or building a robot hand that can solve Rubik's Cubes. Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Wojciech Zaremba, Ilya Sutskever, and John Schulman worked together to create it in 2015. The goal was to create open, secure AI tools that will empower rather than exterminate people. Since then, the business has produced an astounding array of technologies, such as DALL-E, an AI image creator, and Codex AI, which powers Copilot, GitHub's coding suggestion engine. All of those items, though, were merely a starter. Thanks to ChatGPT, a potent and strangely frightening chat-like AI tool based on the company's core GPT-3 model, OpenAI became the hottest brand in the IT industry last year, and it proved to be more than just autocomplete on steroids, despite the doubters' claims. So let's go back in time to the beginning and see how it all began. The rapid development of AI systems raises certain questions more than 65 years after Turing's seminal work. Some people became concerned about the direction it was going as well. Sam Altman, the former CEO of Y Combinator and business magnate Elon Musk, led a campaign for open and secure AI development in 2015. And that is how OpenAI's history started. Altman and Musk raised concerns about the potential dangers and benefits of AI technology even before they founded their firm, at one point dubbing it the greatest threat to civilization. Initially, the company concentrated on creating artificial intelligence for video games and other uses. The company debuted its initial tools in 2016, OpenAI Gym and Universe, an open-source toolkit for reinforcement learning, RI, that served as a sort of training ground for AI agents. OpenAI concentrated on more general AI research and development in the 2 years that followed. The idea of a generative, pre-trained transformer was first introduced in a paper by the business titled Improving Language Understanding by Generative Pre-Training that was published in 2018. GPTs are essentially neural networks, machine learning models inspired by the structure and operation of the human brain, trained on a sizable dataset of text that has been produced by humans. It is capable of carrying out a variety of tasks, including asking and responding to queries. It is capable of creating haikus about itself as well. With the development of GPT-1, their first language model trained on the book corpus, which contains over 7,000 unpublished books, the OpenAI team demonstrated that they meant what they said. Later on, the model developed into GPT-2, a more potent version with 1.5 billion parameters that was trained on 8 million web pages, trained values that make text prediction possible. At that moment, the corporation changed course from its lofty objective of OpenAI and initially chose not to make GPT-2 available to the general public. The reason? According to a blog post on the OpenAI website, the team was concerned that GPT-2 might be exploited to create phony emails or fake news. And that made total sense. Because of this, enormous power also carries immense responsibility. In 2019, OpenAI launched OpenAI LP, a mix of a for-profit and non-profit, and made another contentious decision to change to a capped profit company. OpenAI unveiled DALL-E, an AI with a GPT-2-like architecture, in 2021. Dalle, a combination of Wall-E and the Spanish surrealist artist Salvador Dalí, could produce lifelike graphics seemingly out of nothing, as opposed to text. With ChatGPT-3, OpenAI pushes the limits once more in 2022. GPT-3, an improvement on the two earlier models, was given 45 terabytes of text data, which resulted in 175 billion parameters, more intelligent, swifter, and frightening than anything we had encountered. Microsoft created a supercomputer for OpenAI with 285,000 CPU cores and 10,000 GPUs to enable that. Additionally, it was ranked number 5 out of the top 500 supercomputers. The popularity of GPT-3 gave rise to a second monster, a language model chatbot based on GPT-3 called ChatGPT was made available by OpenAI in November 2022. The chatbot can create answers and modify them based on the conversation history, which is one of ChatGPT's most astounding features. This implies that you can teach ChatGPT to provide more accurate responses inside a conversation thread. The first bizarre encounter with AI for many people was their interaction with ChatGPT, or DALL-E 2, the character's successor published the same month as DALL-E. Not exactly love at first sight, either. One thing was made apparent, though. AI is the future, and it is already here. So, what makes OpenAI different? OpenAI has a distinctive position in the sector. It has a lineup of strong products, some of the greatest players in the industry, and excellent publicity, thanks in large part to GPT and DALL-E 2 from the previous year. Additionally, when you have something to show, making acquaintances and exchanging ideas are much simpler. In order to create AI technologies that empower humans rather than replace us in the workforce, Greylock Partners, of which LinkedIn's creator Reid Hoffman is a partner, began working with OpenAI and Adept AI Laboratories in 2022. OpenAI may enter new markets including healthcare, transportation, and finance by cooperating with partners from many industries. Furthermore, it would be difficult to pass up the chance to use a sizable amount of actual client data to train its AI models. It's difficult to foresee how OpenAI's creation of ChatGPT and other technologies will change the world. It will undoubtedly disrupt a lot of industries in the next few years. That much is certain. A huge opportunity has presented itself with the development of potent neural networks, which may aid in addressing complicated issues that would be challenging for people to answer on their own. X-ray and CT, computer tomography, scan reviews, patient record analysis, public transit management, and even agricultural yield optimization are all currently being handled by AI systems. These advantages can be applied to various industries like education, marketing, financial services, and customer service thanks to tools like ChatGPT. Of course, there will be some danger associated with the adjustments. Whether we like it or not, firms like OpenAI are molding the environment and defining what safe and useful use entails, and they are ultimately responsible for the future of AI. In both life and business, AI tools can be immensely beneficial. They can greatly enhance the quality of goods and services, automate monotonous operations, and offer individualized insights, as long as we agree to employ them appropriately. The impending $10 billion financing round from Microsoft might help OpenAI's ChatGPT get there sooner rather than later, even though it is still a long way away from Vinge's singularity. We can only hope that those in charge of the reins will keep them tightly in hand so as to keep any potential hazards in check. What can you say about OpenAI? Have you given it a try yet? Do you think this will help us humans in our everyday lives? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, if you liked this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.